Okay, this video we're going to go over the NWC-Analytics Alerts page. To get to the Alerts page, we simply go up to Tracker, go down to Alerts, and we go to our Alerts page. Now, we have two different type of alerts. We have our standard price alerts, which just gives us a condition if it's above or below the price we enter. And we have our technical alerts, which we'll go over. There's a lot of different alerts we have under our technical alerts. So first, we will create a simple price alert. We click on the alert button, create alert button, and it defaults to price alert. When we go over, if we wanted to do a technical alert, we would click on the technical alerts. But since we're doing a standard price alert, we'll go ahead and enter the ticker symbol. If we want it above or below the price, we enter the price and we select create alerts. And now that alert was created. It's a price, and we'll see on our home, on our alerts top page, that it was a price alert. And there it is. Okay, now let's create a technical alert. Again, we click on our create alert button. We select technical alert, technical indicator alert button, and now we can select our alert type. First, we enter our ticker symbol. We select alert. We have these different indicator alerts. We can go through the Rule of 40 alert. We can have our DCF rating, Bollinger breach. We'll do this one. And now we want to know if our ticker is overbought or oversold. And we click on create alert. And now it creates our technical alert, and it tells us if our if our stock that we selected, it breaks our upper band. Okay, again, simple alerts page. The key feature here is our technical alerts. That's kind of what separates this platform from any other platform, is our technical alerts. But other than that, it's a standard alerts page where we can do prices and we can do technical alerts. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching.